Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Doogee S40 to an Android device. You need to start by going into Play Store on both smartphones and clicking on the search bar. Now type send anywhere and install this free app from this developer. I already did that over here because it was taking forever, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now I need to do the same on an Android. And then you need to choose send on Doogee and receive on Android device. Following that, click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. I will go with this one photo only, so I have to tap send, click got it, and as you can see over here we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Android, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing camera at the code. But we can also just input this key and tap on receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!